So unlike Chad trying to use a propane tank and blow himself up,
I think we're onto something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know what I gotta say. I think we're onto something.
so fellow adventurers, here we are. We're in the gas stop booth. I am with Mike. He's the guy you're going to talk to. We have a giveaway this weekend. Mike was kind enough through Martin and Matthew and Nick to give us a gas stop that we're going to give away, and you're going to have to email them to pick it up. But another thing is because they've been game changing for so long, right here, not only do they do gas stop for RVs, but now they got it for your grill. So unlike Chad trying to use a propane tank and blow himself up, you can now use it on your own. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Mike, and Mike's going to tell you something about how to put your gas stop on, how to turn it on, and just a quick overview on how to do leak checks, both major and minor. So hit it, Mike.
Well, thank you so much for that setup. Hey guys, it's with gas stop, again, it's a safety device that if you ever have any kind of major leak, it just shuts off. It's like an airbag for your propane system, and it keeps you safe on the road. So to install it, so all you have to do is, it's an active connection. You would just take your pigtail off, you go ahead and put it straight into your service valve, because that safety is first, right? So it's protecting everything downstream of that gas stop device. And so right behind it, you put your pigtail and then tighten it up, and then you obviously already have the connection to your regulator, so you're pretty well ready to go. So it is a manual reset device, so it means that you're in charge of making sure that the propane is going correctly into your system. So you pump it 3 to 5 times after you've turned on your tank, the needle pops up, it shows you what you have. And now the trigger is set and ready to go and protecting you. Now you can also use a gas stop to also check for minor leaks, because gas stop will only shut off if you have a catastrophic leak, like you lose one of your lines. So we do that to make sure that it doesn't interfere, doesn't shut off if you're using your furnace, you got other things going on. But what do you do if you got a pinhole leak? What do you do if you smell something? Right now...
Sorry, it was Taco Bell.
It could have been Taco Bell. I'm just not going to touch that. So bottom line is right now, how do you tell if you got a minor leak? Well, people are just smelling in their RVs. These beautiful large RVs, they're smelling around to see if they got leaks. So if the gas stopped within 3 minutes, you can tell that anywhere in your entire network of propane lines and connections, whether or not you got any leak at all, or if you got full integrity. So all you would do is, once we told you already, you prime it 3 times after you turned on your tank. You basically charge the system. You have all your appliances off. Nothing's using propane. Just turn your tank back off again. And then you wait 3 minutes. You keep setting up camp. You come back and look. Your needle's in the same place on that gas stop. You've got an awesome system. Everything, you got full integrity, no leaks. You're good to go. So turn your tank on. Keep going. Have a great time. If it's starting to really drop, that's your warning that you actually have a problem in your system somewhere. So now for the first time, you have within 3 minutes the ability to check the integrity of every line underneath your coach, on the sides, connected to your appliances. You can feel very confident that you're good to go and there'll be no problem.
So what you're trying to tell me is like an industry leak down check, what they call the drop check.
It's
But
exactly right.
because of my gas stops, I can do a drop check in 3 minutes.
In 3 minutes. Now, you know, if you go to an RV dealership, they have manometers, they have other things that are super accurate, they're awesome. But if you're on the road and you're sitting up camp, you don't have access to all that. So this is you being able to be on top of your program. Within 3 minutes, you know if you're good to go or not.
So again, Mike has given us 1 gas stop to give away this weekend. So go to our channel, like, subscribe, make sure the emails show us that you did it, and we'll put you on the list. There'll be a drawing on Sunday when we get through with all this madness, and then you'll be able to contact Mike through his email and claim your prize. But if you have a couple extra rigs, you might have to figure out on how many of those you're going to need. And if you got a barbecue, guess what? You're going to need one for your barbecue, because we don't want you to blow yourself up while you're out on the road. Because as full-timers, we don't do well with water or fire, unless it's in Yellowstone. Just saying. So again, Mike, thank you so much. We really appreciate you.
Thank you.
And we are big fans of Gas Stop because it's safety for us and my family. So my wife and my daughter, we're counting on and relying on Gas Stop to keep us safe. If you don't, You should too. All right, fellow adventurers, we'll see you out there on the road.